Attention retirees and those nearing retirement. Are you ready to crack the code to a worry-free retirement? Get ready for an experience like no other as we present to you Cracking the Retirement Code, Understanding Social Security and Income Planning Seminar. It's time to take control of your financial future and unlock the secrets to a prosperous retirement. Cracking the Retirement Code is presented by Dr. Barbara Walker-Green, Senior Managing Partner at Advanced Wealth and Retirement Planning Concepts for over 20 years. Dr. Green has been featured all over television, radio, and in financial magazines. Cracking the Retirement Code will cover the following topics. First, we delve into Social Security strategies for married couples. Discover little-known loopholes and tactics that may maximize your benefits, ensuring you and your spouse receive every dollar you deserve. Unleash the power of Social Security and supercharge your retirement income. But that's just the beginning. Our seminar can also equip you with powerful financial vehicles that can create your very own pension-like income that can last a lifetime. Say goodbye to the uncertainty of market fluctuations and hello to a stable, reliable income stream. Imagine the freedom to live the retirement of your dreams, knowing your income is secure and dependable. Cracking the Retirement Code will guide you through these vehicles, helping you find the best fit for your financial goals. And we don't stop there. We recognize the ever-present challenge of keeping up with inflation. That's why we dedicate a portion of our seminar to discussing strategies to minimize the effects of inflation on your retirement lifestyle and being better prepared for the rising costs of living. Don't let inflation erode the value of your hard-earned savings. Arm yourself with the knowledge and tools needed to protect and grow your wealth, even in the face of a changing economy. Are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Join us at Cracking the Retirement Code, Understanding Social Security and Income Planning Seminar, and unlock the secrets to a confident and fulfilling retirement. This seminar is not to be missed. Reserve your seat today. Don't let the code remain a mystery. Crack it and achieve the retirement you've always dreamed of. Cracking the Retirement Code, Understanding Social Security and Income Planning. Reserve your seat now.